find the irreducible set for A determines C, AC determines D, E determines AD, E determines H. So what is step 1? You have to make the RHS attributes as single attribute, right? So A determines C, AC determines D, E determines A, E determines D, E determines H, right? So this is for first step. And in step 2, you have to identify redundant attributes, right? So redundant attributes means in the options of A determines C, can you able to get it or not, right? So first take out A determines C and get it from the remaining things. What is A closure now? A only. So A determines C is required. Similarly, take out AC determines D, find out AC closure. AC closure is you are going to get again AC, which means that this is also required. Similarly, get it E determines A. What is E closure? E D H, which means that A is not getting, so E determines A is required. Similarly, E determines D. What is E closure now? E. From E can I get A? From E can I get H? From A can I get C? From AC can I get D? Which means that E determines D can be possible for me, right? Which means that E determines D is the redundant one, right? Next, take the E determines H. E closure, you are going to get E, A, and from A you will get C. From AC you will get D, but you are not going to get H. So I can say that E determines H is required, right? So as we completed all FDs, you can write the minimal set of FDs are A determines C, AC determines D, E determines A, and E determines H. This is one of the minimal set. We cannot say that this is minimum FD, right? Now again you need to find out the redundant or not. What is A closure now? A closure is A, so which is required. AC closure is AC only, which is also required. E closure is H, so E determines A is required. Again E closure is A, so this is also required. So which means that this is a final solution at this step 2. Now for step 3, you have to take out the FDs which are having more than one attribute on the LHS side, and you have to get C when it is options from A. What is A closure? A closure is, can you going to get AC or not? Which means that here C is redundant with respect to A. C is redundant with respect to A. So I can say that A determines D. I can able to reduce. Similarly, try to get it from another, right? What is C closure? If I take it, if I remove A, from C can I get A? C closure is C, which means that A is required here. A is required. So finally A determines D is the redundant one. A determines D is the solution for AC determines D. So we completed all the FDs which are having the left side more than one attribute. So then we go for step 4. Step 4 is A determines C, A determines D, I am writing this one, and E determines A, E determines H. So I can able to combine this as A determines CD, E determines H. This is my final irreducible set, which I cannot able to minimize further.